So hi guys, so I'm gonna make chili oil today. So make it simple and I'm gonna show you the ingredient now. 4 cardamoms and we have the cloves and we have cinnamon stick. So we're gonna use, it's optional but it gives you a really nice flavor. So I'm gonna use coriander seeds. So we're gonna grind this. So we'll make this into half. Perfect. So we're gonna grind this. This is how it looks after grind. Bowl and add this masala in this and our chili flakes and little bit of salt, not much, very little of salt. So mix it well. Done. So we're going to put the hot oil in this. So let's go and cook oil. Cheers. So it's hot. Let's put oil. So it's 1 cup of oil. So we're not going to use full oil. We're going to use a little bit of the oil from here and pour this in. Wow, see the sizzling. Perfect. So this is it. So leave it for 2 minutes to cool down and then we're gonna stir it. So all the masalas in. Perfect. You can eat it with breads, or you can use it for fried rice, or you can use it for pasta, you can use it for anything. So I'm gonna taste this now. Apply it little. Yeah. Bismillah. The salt is giving you the flavor, and the cardamom and the spices what we use it. It's really tasty. So please do try this at home and give me a feedback. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Cheers. Bye.